This is Rolls, and this is Life is a Highway. And we're in the desert, and we're in Palm Springs. We're in Indio, excuse me. And look, it's raining. This is the Elks Club in Indio. Wow, it's actually raining a little bit. We've been waiting. It's been cloudy all week. It might actually rain. Wow. So this is my cute little park. And there's my kitty pen and my scooter. But look what's so cool about this particular elks. Look at it's raining, guys. Look at. They're delicious. So these are lemons. They also have grapefruits. It's like all year. You can just come here and pick citrus. Isn't that cool? Yeah, I'm gonna grab one.